students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Samandeep Kaur. So I am back with subject maths of 5th class. Listen to fundamental operations on numbers, exercise 2.6. First, these are the word problems. The price of first cycle is 5,699. What is the price of 17 cycles? So answer is price of one cycle is equal to 5,699 rupees and price of 17 cycle is equal to 5,699 multiplied by 17. 7 into 9 is 63, 6 carried, 7 into 9 is 63 plus 6 is 69, 6 carried, 7 into 6 is 42 plus 6 is 48, 4 carried, 7 5s are 35 plus 4 is 39. Now 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 6 is 6, 1 into 5 is 5. So let's add 3, 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 carried, 1 plus 8 plus 9 is 18, 1 carried, 1 plus 9 plus 6 is 16, 1 carried, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. So price of 17 cycles is 96,883 rupees. Second is, there are 12 tiles in a box. How many tiles are there in 4,590 boxes? So answer is number of tiles in one box is equal to 12. Number of tiles in 4,590 boxes equal to 4,590 multiplied by 12. So let's start. Now 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 9 is 18. 1 carried. 2 into 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carried. 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1 9. Now 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 4 is 4. So let's add 0, 8 plus 0 is 8, 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 carried, 9 plus 1 plus 5 is 15, 1 carried, 4 plus 1 is 5. So these are number of tiles in 4,590 boxes. Third, multiply 4 digit smallest number with 98. So now answer is 4 digit smallest number is 1000 multiplied by 98. So let's multiply. 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 1 is 8. Now 9 into 0 is 0, 9 into 0 is 0, 9 into 0 is 0, 9 into 1 is 9. So let's add 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 0 is 8 and 9 alone. So answer is 98,000. Fourth is, rate list of electrical equipment in electrical shop is as follows. Now here is the rate list. Now equipment washing machine price 24,999 rupees. LCD 42,500 rupees. AC 54,000. Water geyser 12,999. Refrigerator 18,499 rupees. So these are prices. Its first point is, Charan has 1 lakh with him. He buys 2 washing machines and 1 LCD. How much amount has he spent? Charan ने 2 washing machines and 1 LCD खरीदी है और उसने कितने पैसे spend किए? Answer is cost of 2 washing machines is equal to 24,999 multiplied by 2. 2 into 9 is 18. 1 carried. 2 into 9 is 18 plus 1 is 9. 2 into 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. 1 carried. 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1 9. 2 into 2 is 4. So 49,998 rupees. Now cost of 2 washing machines is equal to, we have find 49,998 rupees and cost of 1 LCD that is equal to 42,500. So let's add total money he spent is equal to 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 carried, 9 plus 2 plus 1 is 12, 1 carried, 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. So total money he spent is 92,498 rupees. Its second part is, Charan's brother has 1 lakh. He buys 1 AC, 2 water geyser and 1 refrigerator. How much amount is left with him? चरण के ब्रदर के पास 1 लाख है. उसने 1 AC, 2 water geyser and 1 refrigerator खरीदा. उसके पास कितने बचे? Now cost of 1 AC is equal to 54,000. Cost of 2 water geyser is equal to 12,999 multiplied by 2. 2 into 9 is 18, 1 carry, 2 into 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19, 1 carry, 2 into 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19, 1 carry, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1, 5, 2 into 1 is 2. So 25,998 rupees. And cost of one refrigerator is equal to 18,499 rupees. Now these three highlighted numbers will be added, right? So let's add these highlighted numbers. Now on adding, 54,000 plus 25,998 plus 18,499 rupees. Total money spent is equal to 8 plus 9 is 17, 1 carried, 9 plus 9 plus 1 is 19, 1 carried, 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14, 1 carried, 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 is 18, 1 carried, 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. So total money spent is equal to 98,497 rupees. Now he has total money is equal to 1 lakh, right? And money spent is equal to 98,497. So let's subtract it. Money left with him is equal to, now 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 left, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 left, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 left, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 left, 9 minus 9 is 0. So money left with him is equal to 1503 rupees. Fifth is, a factory manufactures 4,990 toffees a day. एक दिन में 4,990 टॉफीज बनाती है. हाउ मेनी टॉफीज विल बी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन 19 डेज. 19 डेज में कितनी टॉफीज बनाई जाएंगी. सो आंसर इज टॉफीज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन 1 डे इज इक्वल टू 4,990 एंड टॉफीज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन 19 डेज इज इक्वल टू multiply by 19. So let's multiply. 9 into 0 is 0, 9 into 9 is 81, 8 carried, 9 into 9 is 81 plus 8 is 89, 8 carried, 9 into 4 is 36 plus 8 is 44, and 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 4 is 4. So let's add 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 carried, 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14, 1 carried, 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. So this is the answer. Sixth is 6,798 bricks are loaded in a tractor in an hour. एक घंटे में 6,798 bricks ट्रैक्टर में लोड की जा रही हैं. How many bricks will be loaded in 13 hours? 13 hours में कितनी लोड की जाएंगी? Answer is, bricks loaded in 1 hour is equal to 6,798. Bricks loaded in 13 hour is equal to multiply by 13. So let's start. 3 into 8 is 24, 2 carried. 3 into 9 is 27 plus 2 is 29, 2 carried. 3 into 7 is 21 plus 2 is 23, 2 carried. 3 into 6 is 18 plus 2, 20. Now 1 into 8 is 8, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 6 is 6. So let's add 4. 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 carried, 1 plus 3 plus 9 is 13, 1 carried, 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. So answer is 88,374 bricks. Seventh, a shopkeeper sells one mobile phone for 5,089 rupees. एक मोबाइल वह 5,089 rupees में बेच रहा है. If he sells 18 such mobile phones in a day, अगर एक दिन में 18 मोबाइल्स बेच रहा है, how much amount would he collect in a day? एक दिन में कितने पैसे कमाएगा? So cost of one mobile is equal to 5,089 rupees. Cost of 18 mobiles is equal to multiply by 18. So let's start. 8 into 9 is 72, 7 carried. 8 into 8 is 64 plus 7 is 71, 7 carried. 8 into 0 is 0 plus 7 is 7. 8 into 5 is 40. Now 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 8 is 8, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 5 is 5. So let's add 2. 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 carried, 1 plus 7 plus 8 is 16, 1 carried, 1 plus 0 is 1, 4 plus 5 is 9. So amount collected is equal to 91,602 rupees in 1 day. Eighth sum is multiply 3-digit largest number with 95. So answer is 3-digit largest number is equal to 999 multiply by 95. So let's start. 5 into 9 is 45, 4 carried, 5 into 9 is 45 plus 4 is 49, 4 carried, 5 into 9 is 45 plus 4, 49, Now 9 into 9 is 81. 8 carried, 9 into 9 is 81 plus 8 is 89. 8 carried, 9 into 9 is 81 plus 8 is 89. So let's add 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carried, 9 plus 9 plus 1 is 19. 1 carried, 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. 1 carried, 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is 94,905. Next is ninth. How many seconds are there in 24 hours? So let's start. We know that seconds in 1 minute is equal to 60. 60 seconds है, right? Now seconds in 60 minutes. 60 minute means 1 hour. 1 hour में कितने seconds है? That is equal to multiply by 60. So let's multiply. Now here you can see that these two zeros are highlighted. Two zeros added with the 2 6 will be added in the answer at right hand side. Now let's multiply 6 and 6. 6 6 are 36, right? We will write these two zeros as it is, right? Now seconds in 1 hour is equal to 3600. Seconds in 24 hour is equal to multiply by 24. Now here you can see that these two zeros are highlighted and these will be added in the answer at right hand side. So let's multiply 36 and 24. 4 6 are 24. 2 carried. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Now 2 into 6 is 12. 1 carried. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 7. So answer is, let's add 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1 plus 7 is 8 and two zeros are added at right hand side. So answer is 86,400, right? So we have completed exercise 2.6 of lesson 2. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe for the more videos.